Hey girls, it's Jenny with Planner Perfect, and I am back again for another May sub box reveal. Stay tuned. Welcome back. I'm excited for this one because not only is the art really great, I'm sure you girls are going to absolutely love it. There's a lot of new pieces in there. I can't wait to show you. And also it is going to be really fun and the beginning of being able to pick your inside pages. You're going to have some options now for your inside pages for your planner and your journal. We're going to talk time frames on when you're going to be able to get in there and make those adjustments here when I flip you around. Also too, the monthly calendars are back and they're here to stay starting with this month. So I'm going to turn you around, show you the box and what's coming up. Okay girls, here we are with the May sub box. I'm excited to show you this. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm actually in an A5 and what's really fun is I'm going to be able to show you what the dot grid looks like on the inside of this. Now you guys are not new to dot grid, but I'm going to show you that this is now going to be an option, lined dot grid and blank. So you'll be able to get in there and choose, and this is going to be available to you for the July box. So in June you'll be able to do that. It should be prepped and ready before that. But so I will be sure there will be a huge announcement when you can get in there and make adjustments for your box. Okay, so this is pretty exciting. So I'm going to show you. So I work in A5 as well. So I will be showing you that. I'm going to start off with the books. This was done in watercolor, both the journal and the planner. So I am really in love with coneflowers. They're in my backyard and so in our flower bed. So I wanted to paint those for you for this month of May. And I thought that it turned out gorgeous. I hope you love it. I thought that it turned out really beautiful and, you know, inspiring to work in. And then I did a chickadee because I've been just really wanting to work on my birds, and I thought the chickadee was adorable and found a photograph of him and painted him. And look at how cute he turned out. I just thought he represented our May. Live what you love. I love that quote. Wanted to put that on there to inspire you in your journal. And there's the back of that one. I just thought that turned out so beautiful for the back. So no matter how you slice it, it's going to look really good, and how it turns in your traveler's notebook. Let me show you else what's so fun. I did kind of a shabby chic. I thought this was kind of cute, where you've kind of got this red, you know, check here. And then this here, it's on pale pink. It's kind of hard to tell, but you've got my girl that's riding a bike with one of my Shasta daisies, and it kind of repeats. I thought that was super cute. And then this really beautiful blue rose on, red rose on a blue background. So I thought that really turned out really just complements it a lot. So the tip-ins come and all nice and tightened in here, and I've got it out here now. So here is Hello May, some tip-ins. Now you get 2 of each, and we do 2 of each. So number 1, you've got, I think it's nice to be able to have 2 of each anyway, but in order to do 12 individual would be more costly, and so then that would increase the box, and so we just keep it as cost effective as we can. But here he is in a tip-in. Here's this one I drew. Oops, I drew this in watercolor. Pretty, it turned out really good. And then, I mean, I love getting these back because I love to like, oh yes, it turned out really good when it was copied. We've got, of course, the planner art. And then we've got, this is the calendar, you guys. Look at how cute. How cute is this for real? I'm glad to bring it back. And it's the way we are doing our tip-ins now, where we are, we've just decided that this was the best way to go. We had such a high demand for these that putting them back in the box was the way to go. And then this is some new art as well. I painted this in watercolor, just a fence with flowers. I thought it turned out really good too. I hope you guys really, really like it. So we've got that, because I aim to please. I mean, I want to make you guys happy, let me tell you. Okay, now here's the stickers. There's a couple new pieces of art in here that I'm freaking out with on how well it turned out with the stickers. But I painted these in watercolor, and you know, the little shears and the fork and the shovel, and it turned out so cute. And my new little watering can I did in watercolor as well. It's all watercolor actually. There's the fence art again. We've got the girl classic May, some other one of my flowers. This is new art up here. So you get 2 sheets of these. And then for the other art, we brought in these 2. These have been such a favorite. They're always fun to tuck into your planner. So we did that. We've got, this is also a new bird. Look at how cute is he, okay? So I painted him, he's extra. And then I've got, of course, my chickadee from my journal, the hydrangea, some of my other flowers, and the new vase art, and of course another May. Turned out really cute, I think. And look, this one has the little shovels up here. I thought that was super cute. Girls, that is wonderful. Now let me go ahead and show you what this looks like with the dot grid. I'm so excited to work in this. So I get to work in it earlier than you guys. I know, but I'm completely thrilled, and I cannot wait to do a plan with me in this, of even just like painting in it and doing what I do and being able to use the dot grid as, you know, just a grid to be able to do anything I wanted to it. So, and again, it did not make it onto this. I didn't want it on these, and I didn't want it on the goals. So I wanted that nice and airy and open. I just have the days of the week where it has it. So there's that. This is going to be a lot of fun to be able to have options of dot, lined, or blank. You can do whatever you want for this, the planner, and then whatever you want for your journal. I chose dot grid again for my journal, and I'm thrilled about it. I'm absolutely thrilled. Absolutely love it. So unless I know I'm going to do heavy painting in it, like I've done many, many years, I've done that, then I would probably just choose blank when I know I'm going to do that. And then when not, I like the use of using the dot grid for this too. Girls, that is the box for May. You have till tonight. I mean, I know this came out late, but I just recently, today, got this in my hands so I could show you the whole box. Girls, I hope you love it as much as I had painting it. Get in there and get your box if you haven't already. And be staying tuned for when you can create those options. It'll be available for the July box, but get ready, and I will share when it's time to go ahead and make those adjustments. Until next time, you guys.